Good morning, guys. So I just randomly decided to vlog. I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to be vlogging today because I don't really have a plan of what I'm doing today. If you can tell, our house is in complete shambles because we have started packing to move. Let me just show you guys what my house looks like. So this is what our dining room looks like. We have a lot of stuff packed in the kitchen. So that's what that's looking like. I've got all the blinds and the windows open because I never open them. And I just feel like this house is like just so unorganized, and having the blinds open makes me feel like it's like nice and fresh in here. I don't know. Also, this is my current situation in here. And then we have kind of used our office to like put everything. And then this is like what I've got going on for my makeup. We're getting rid of that filing cabinet today. We're putting it in the trash, thank goodness. And then I just finished, sorry it's echoing in here because I just finished cleaning this bathroom. This is our guest bathroom upstairs. So it's done and we're not using it anymore. I seriously told Devin, I was like, I'm gonna put a sign on the door that says, do not enter, because I am not going to clean things multiple times, and we have 3 bathrooms in this house, so there is no need for us to use this bathroom anymore. Also, I don't know if you guys can tell, but my hair is like super blonde. I just got it done the other day. My friend Chloe does my hair here in Ohio. I don't know if Chloe watches my videos, but yeah, she does a great job. And that was my last time getting my hair done here before we move, and I don't know who's gonna do my hair when we move. But anyways, yeah, so I am just like cleaning today. I have an eyebrow appointment at 12:15. I think it's like 10:30 or something like that. Devin graduates on Thursday from phase 2 of tech school, so I wanted to go look for a dress today, like at like Target or like TJ Maxx or something, because I literally packed all my clothes. Let me show you guys our closet. So in here is where I had all of my like sweaters and dresses and stuff, and all of the clothes are gone. Those are just like our bags. And then our living room, or oh my gosh, our living room, really, it's our closet and our bedroom. This is what our closet looks like. Look at all of these hangers. That is like a sin. What am I gonna do with those? If you guys have packed hangers before, let me know the most efficient way to pack them, because I have no idea. So those are all the clothes that I kept, and I kept these shoes out because we do have like 3 weeks left, well like 2.5, and then we're just gonna stick those in the truck because I have clothes in them, and I left that, and then of course Devin just throws his stuff up there. Does anyone else's boyfriend or husband just like throw their stuff in the closet? Like Devin says because he's gonna wear it again, he just throws it in there, and he's like, don't touch it because I'm just gonna wear it tomorrow. And I'm like, okay, but I have to pick it up and I have to hang it up because I'm just like OCD like that. But anyways, so our bedroom is pretty bare too. We took off everything off the walls. So if you guys can see, our bedroom is like nothing. I took everything off the nightstands. My mom came and stayed the night on Saturday because today's Monday. So she stayed the night Saturday, and then yesterday we like packed a ton of stuff. So everything in that office that I showed you, we did yesterday. So that's amazing. So really, I have mostly the big things packed except for my kitchen. We did pack a lot in the kitchen, but like our dishes and stuff, I still have some glasses and things like that, which is what I want to work on this week. We have our pre-inspection tomorrow for our base housing, and I'm nervous for what they're going to say because, let me go get some better lighting. I am hoping, since we don't have kids or animals, that they won't be like too hard on us, because I have kept our house pretty clean. We've only lived here almost 9 months, not even 9 months yet. So I'm hoping that it's nothing too crazy. If you guys have moved out of base housing before, let me know, and because I'm a little bit nervous. And we decided to do a Diddy move, which is just, it stands for do it yourself. So we aren't having any movers. I didn't hire a cleaner to clean our house. I'm doing it all by myself, which, since I'm done working really soon, it really only made sense. If we had like, I don't know, 3 kids and like 2 dogs or something, it would definitely be worth it, but it's not. So yeah, I've just spent today like cleaning the baseboards, like going up the stairs and stuff like that, but I can't believe our time here is coming to an end. I'm going to miss this house, and I'm going to miss Dayton, and I really I'm gonna miss it, but before I get emotional, because I've been so emotional about leaving, I am excited to go to Florida with Devin. Oh my god, why am I gonna cry? But it's just sad to have things come to an end, and it's gonna be a new chapter for us, so I'm really excited for that. I was not expecting to cry for any reason in this video. I don't know why I'm crying. Okay, so I'm not sure what I'm gonna vlog today really, but maybe, oh, I do need to go to Goodwill because I have like a laundry basket full of stuff that needs to go. And also, I think I might go to TJ Maxx and look for a dress. So I will vlog in a little bit. Ooh. Please don't fall. Please don't fall. Okay, hopefully my camera doesn't fall. So I just dropped off some stuff at Goodwill and I'm at TJ Maxx. I'm hoping to find a dress for Devin's graduation. I keep like getting paranoid that someone's gonna see me like videotaping myself in my car, and I'm like embarrassed, but I'll get there. Anyways, I want to find a dress for Devin's graduation because I packed all of my dresses and I don't really have any dresses for like the winter time. It's still pretty cold here, like it's 29 degrees, so I can't wear like a spaghetti strap dress, you know, out in this weather. So I'm hoping I can find something in here. I might vlog a little bit in the dressing room, but someone just pulled up next to me. Okay, they're going. It's an old person anyways, so I don't really care. Anyways, I'm getting distracted. So yeah, I'm gonna go in here and let's see what we can find. Hopefully I can find something in here. Hey guys, so that little clip I took in the dressing room was at TJ Maxx, and I did buy that dress, and I just went into Target just to look, just to make sure that I didn't want anything else, and I didn't find anything, so I'm glad I went to TJ Maxx first. But that little dress was so cute. Like, I don't think it really did it justice. My vision is I have these little short brown booties and I'm gonna wear those with it, and then like a pretty necklace, and then my hair will be fixed and my makeup will be done, which I have makeup on now, but like my eyebrows aren't done or anything. So anyways, yeah, it'll be really pretty and it's gonna be cute, and it's kind of springy, but it's better than any of the other like strapless spaghetti strap dresses that I have for summer. So I figure I actually checked the weather and it said it's supposed to be 60 that day, but it's supposed to rain, so hopefully that won't, it'll be okay. But I just went into Starbucks and I got a water and a sandwich. So my eyebrow appointment is in 10 minutes and I'm like just like a 2-minute drive away. So I'm going to eat this. I got the turkey and spinach, no, turkey and basil pesto, something like that. I don't know, but I'm starving. So I'm gonna eat this, get my eyebrows done, and then I'll be back. All right, I am back home and I just got my eyebrows done. They look red, but you can't really tell in this camera. But I wanted to show you guys my beautiful flowers that Devin got me. There are these roses. Aren't those beautiful? He got me them for Valentine's Day. I know it's a little bit early. It's not Valentine's Day yet, but he sent them to me a little bit early. We celebrated Valentine's Day on Saturday because he is graduating on Thursday, which is the day after Valentine's Day, and he takes a really big important test that day. So on Valentine's Day he's probably going to be studying and everything, and we knew that it would be crazy anyways trying to go find somewhere to eat. So we went to Olive Garden on Saturday and he got me flowers and we celebrated it a little bit early. So yeah, I just wanted to show those because they're so pretty. He ordered those off of Amazon. It was like a flower company that sells, like delivers flowers through Amazon. It was really cool. They came in a really cool like safe packaging, and you like unrolled them, and then like I just trimmed them again and I put new water in the new like flower food or whatever the powder is that comes with it. So they look so pretty. So I love you, Devin. Thank you for my flowers. So I'm going to fold some laundry while I talk to you guys. I know that these videos are like really popular. They're called like Laundro chats. Let me know if you guys would want me to do a dedicated video to something like that, because I would love to do that, and I am always having to fold laundry, so it wouldn't be hard for me to find a day to do it. So while I'm folding this laundry, I figured I would talk to you guys about a couple things. So I know that I have only been posting like once a week, and to be honest, that's just me being lazy. But also I'm kind of stressed with the move, and yeah, basically I'm just stressed with the move, and now I'm starting to actually do a bunch of stuff for the move, so I feel like I'm really busy, and this move has really like snuck up on me. I feel like because I knew, well, we've known for probably like 6 months that we were gonna move, but I don't know what I'm trying to say. I felt like it was never gonna come because I just feel like I've been waiting so long for it to happen. So I feel like I put off preparing for the move until now, when we are like a little under 3 weeks out from our move out date. I feel like I've just like put everything off, so now I feel like I'm crunched on time. Sorry if I'm like holding things in front of my face. I'll try not to do that. But anyways, so now I feel really overwhelmed, and I'm just praying that this goes by smoothly and quickly. I'm just ready for the move to be over. Honestly, I just want it to be over. If you are a military spouse and you guys move a lot, you know what I mean. Like, I'm just like done with moving, and this will only be my second move out of like into our own place. But it's like my third move since last January, so it's just a lot, and I'm just like already done with it. So I know that we'll be in Florida for a couple of years, so at least that's something to hold on to. I'm glad about that. I always find these in my laundry. These are I have 2 of them, but these are my dryer balls. They look really gross, but they're like, I think this is made from wool. I think. I'm not sure. But I use these in place of dryer sheets, so I don't use dryer sheets. Also, my skin is highly sensitive, so I can't really use anything scented anyway. So I have an essential oil spray that I spray on there, and it's like a basil something spray, and I spray it on the dryer balls like every once in a while when I feel like they're losing their scent, which I probably should spray on this, but it smells like pretty neutral, but which is what I like. So, oh, another video I really want to do is talking about toxin-free items that I've switched to. One of my friends was talking to me, and she was saying how she would like to see a video like that from me, and I feel like I have accrued a few things to where I could make a video to talk about some of the switches I've made in my everyday life of things that I use daily. Alright, well, I think I'm going to end this vlog here. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, make sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and let me know if you have any video suggestions, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!